Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in AutoCAD. In this tutorial, we are going to model this 2D drawing using AutoCAD. For that, first go to the AutoCAD software. Now I am using Autodesk AutoCAD 2022. First go to New. Now we are in the new window. For easy explanation, I'm just going to keep this drawing left side, software in the right side. Before drawing any model, first we need to set the unit. For that, just type units. Just type units, enter. You will get this dialog box. Here we are using a single digit precision. So here you choose decimal, single digit 0. Here you choose into millimeter. Save OK. Now we have set the unit. Then we need to set the limits. Limit is to specify the sheet. This white color sheet. For this corner it is 0, 0 as a x and y coordinate. For this corner we need to specify the dimension. The maximum it is 90. We will specify around 150, 150. For that, just type limit, enter. Now here you can see it is unknown command it is showing. Just type limits. Lower left corner it is asking just 0, 0, enter. Upper right corner is you just make it 150, 150, just enter. Then type Z, enter. Then A, enter. Now we have set this sheet. Now we will start drawing the model. Here I am going to use the commands. First we will create this inner circle with the radius of, here they have specified the diameter is 10 with the 2 circles. So first take a circle, C, enter. Specify the location. Here it is coming a radius. Just type D, enter. You will get the diameter. The diameter is 10, just 10, enter. Then just create an outer circle with the radius of 10. Then simply say type C, enter. It will ask center. And the radius is 10, just 10, enter. Now we have created these 2 circles. Then simply select the circles by clicking a left click and drag down and again click the left click. You can able to select both the circles. Then go for copy, CO, enter, and just click the first point here, and the second point distance is 60, enter, and press the escape. It will come out from the command. The center distance is 60. Then if you want to move this object, just simply select both object and type M. You will get move and click here. Just simply move it here. Now use your mouse roller and you can zoom in and zoom out to your screen. Now we have created these 2 circles. Then we'll connect this line. Just L, enter. Here you can able to see the quadrant point. If you are not getting this quadrant point, just go here. This one. Just click this arrow one. And whatever the points you want to see it, just switch on the points, make a tick and make enable here. Then only you can able to see the points. That is nothing but a reference points. Now just choose this quadrant point and here you just connect it with it. Right click, cancel. Now we have created these lines. Then here we just want to make a line. Just L, enter. Here just create a horizontal line. Just switch on, enable the ortho mode in a particular length and right click, cancel, because they have not mentioned the dimension. Then here we just want to make it, the center distance is 90. So then take a line L, enter. From the center point right side it should be 90 and the vertical distance is 20. Here you can see 20, enter. Again we need 10, enter, 10, enter. Then we need to make a line which is 45 degree inclined to the vertical axis. For that, just switch off the ortho mode by pressing F8 again. Now this angle we need to specify it. This length, just make sure you are crossing this line, and the angle we need to specify. Here it is 45 degree, then the angle it's taking from here, then this angle is 90 plus 90 degree plus 45 degree, which is 135 degree. Simply press the tab, you can able to shift to angle addition mode. Here you can see by pressing tabs you can able to change the edit the values. Now we are in the angle editing type. Now type the value of 135. Right click, cancel. Now here we have created. Then we just want to create horizontal line. For that, L, enter. Here we have one small line. The square box is the line. Just make a horizontal line. For that, just switch on the ortho mode by pressing F8. Just escape. Press the F8. Now you can be able to make line. This is just make some approximate length line. Right click, cancel. Here we just want to make a line tangent to the circle here as well as the angle of 135 degree. Just try to make a line. This line we don't need it. Just select this line. Type E, erase. This also we don't need it. Just select it. Just E, enter. Now just take a line. L, enter. And tangent, just TAN, enter. Now you can able to select the tangent line. But here you can see we cannot able to specify the angle. But we need to specify the angle. But that cannot be done by using this method. Just go back, escape. Now simply create a line from somewhere. Just press the F8. You can able to change the angle. Now the angle is here. You can able to edit. Now the angle we can change. Just press the tab. The angle is simply 135. Just type 135. Just enter. Then go for right click, cancel. Now we have created a line which is 135 to the horizontal axis. But here we need to make a tangent connection. For that, just go to the parametric. Here you can see the constraints. There are different constraints available. Now we just want to make a tangent connection. Just select this line or just select this tangent connection. First select the object. This is the object. Select the second object. This is the second object. Just Ctrl Z. First we need to select the fixed object. So for that, go for the tangent connection. This is the fixed object and select the moving object. Now see, it is made the tangent connection here. Just press the escape to come out from the command. Now we just want to make a arc with a radius of 40. Just simply go to home. That is called fillet. Just type F5. The second one is fillet. Then type R, enter. The radius is 40. Just 40, enter. And select this line and this line. You can able to get this fillet with the radius of 40. Similarly, just press the enter. You will get the previous command. Select the first object and select second object. Now just remove the unwanted edges by using a trim tool. Just press the escape. Type DR, enter. Select this one. Now you can able to see the complete model. Now just remove unwanted edges. Just TR, enter. And this one. and this one. Now we have created the full model. Just simply select all the model. Just go for the by layer. Change this into 0.35. Then press the escape. Here you are not able to see the line weight. Further, just enable this line weight. Now we have enabled the line weight. Then specify the dimension one by one. Before that, specify the center mark. Just type CM, enter. We need to specify the center mark to this one, this circle and this circle. Then press escape. Now the center mask is very small. Here see the center mask is very big. Further, just select both the center mark. Just right click, go for properties. In the properties, line type scale, we just make it 10. If you want to increase the left extension, just 3, 3, 3, 3. It will extend to the left extension. Then just close it. Now see, we got the center mark. Now we'll specify the dimensions. For that, just go to the linear dimension. First dimension is 60, just from here to here. Just switch on the ortho mode by pressing F8. From here to here. Here you can see. Just select it and delete it. Just go for linear dimension from this point to this point. Or just go for linear dimension again from the center point to the center point. Now just go for dim style. Modify. Symbols and arrow make it 3. Text also make it 3. Primary units make it 1 decimal. Say OK, then close it. Now see, the dimension is 60 here. Then you just go for other dimensions. Other linear dimension is 20. From here to here, this is 90. And again go for this linear dimension from this point to this point, which is 20. Similarly, go for the linear dimension again from here to here, which is 10. Then we need to specify angular dimension. This angular from here to this line, 45 degree. Then go for radius dimension, and this one is R40. Similarly, again the radius dimension, this is R40. Then we need to specify the radius for the outer circle, which is R10 into 2. Just double click here. Just come here, comma, into 2. And here we need to make again the linear dimension. This inner one, this is diameter we need to specify. And this one is double click here, space into space 2. This is dia 10 into 2. And final dimension is this angle we need to specify, that is 135. Just go for angular from this line to this line, which is 135. Now we have finished this complete model. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.